If you're trying to find your GetResponse API key, but it's buried somewhere in the settings, don't worry. I'll show you exactly where to get it in seconds. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial to a much better alternative that works better for your marketing needs. Stick around because you don't want to miss that. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into GetResponse and head to the top right corner. Click on your profile picture, then select Integrations and AMP, API from the drop-down. Now, on the left, you'll see a tab called API, click that. If you already have an API key, it'll be listed there. If not, just hit Generate API Key, name it something you'll recognize, and create it. Done. That's your GetResponse API key. Just copy it and use it where needed. Next, let's talk about what you need to know before using this API key. While GetResponse allows solid integrations, some users find their API a bit limited compared to competitors. Certain features, like advanced automation triggers, aren't as customizable as you might expect. And if you're trying to connect with third-party tools, you may hit roadblocks unless you rely on tools like Zapier. Also, if you're using GetResponse for email marketing automation, the API can be restrictive in contact segmentation and dynamic content handling. If you're building a more complex system, you might run into some frustrations. Now, if you're looking for an alternative with better API flexibility, I've linked some way better options in the description. These offer more powerful automation, better integrations, and higher deliverability rates. Plus, I've secured an exclusive extended free trial that's only available through our link. So, if you're serious about making the most of your email marketing software, check the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial available, along with some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs.